All right, everyone. I came here on the third floor. This recently updated, beautiful five bed unit. This is a top floor, nobody above you. As you walk in, you come from the downstairs. You have a window for natural light, and this is a top floor unit. Nobody is above you. You have 3 bedroom and 3 baths in here, and 2 bed and 2 baths on the top. So let's start from the first floor. As I walk in, you see the place has a high ceiling and a mini split for heat and air. It also has this beautiful hardwood floor. It gets a lot of natural light, as you could see. I didn't turn on any light. You have a window for a fresh air or for a natural light. And you have your bathroom in your bedroom. This is your bathroom. You have this small vanity. You have a mirror. You have a toilet. You have this nice stall shower. You also have a window for a fresh air. Here you also have a nice closet space for your belonging. All right, going to the living space. Here on my right, you see this closet. When you open the closet, you have your brand new washing machine. You have a dryer and washing machine here. On my left, you have this beautiful kitchen. You have a refrigerator. Everything you see is brand new. Plenty of cabinet space. A cooktop, a dishwasher. It's a deep sink. You also have a garbage disposal here, upgraded countertop, very nice. And also you have this island for your dining place. This is your living space. On my left, you have the next bedroom. On my right, there is another one too. Just want to show you what this living space looks like. You have this mini split for heat and air. And next, I want to get to the second bedroom on this level. As you could see, you have beautiful floor, and this is facing the front of the building, and you look outside to the Spruce Street. This is the bedroom, and here in this bedroom you have your own bath as well. Let's go in. In your bathroom, it's a nice sized bathroom. You have a tile floor, nice vanity. You have a mirror. You have a toilet here. It's a stall shower in here. Everything is brand new. You also have your closet here. Nice size closet. All right. This is your second bedroom. Going to your third bedroom, which is coming in from outside, is going to be on your right hand side. Same as the other bedroom. This window is facing Spruce Street. This is the bedroom. You have this nice closet. Beautiful window. And in the same way as the other bedrooms, you have your own bathroom in here. You have a tile floor, a stall shower. You have your toilet, mirror. All right. This is your third bedroom. Now I'm going up to the next floor to show you the two bedrooms. As you could see, you have this beautiful floor throughout. So I'm going to the next level, which where we will have our two bedrooms with a full bath. As you could see, the place has high ceiling. So the first bedroom, you see, is here, big in size. It has slant ceiling, but it's very big in size, huge. You also have here a mini fridge for you to use. In addition to the fridge you have downstairs, you have additional fridge here for the residents of this bedroom. The window, this window is facing Spruce Street. Here is your bathroom. As you could see, it's a beautiful tile floor. You have your vanity, your mirror, and you have your toilet, and it's a stall shower here. It's beautiful. Beautiful unit. Here on your right, you have your closet. You could move this closet wherever you like to have them. Right now we have it here, but you can move it to a different spot you like. You also have a mini split for heat and air. This is the bedroom. This is the biggest. And next is the last bedroom, and similar to the other bedroom, it has slant ceiling, a beautiful hardwood floor, and nice size. You also have a mini fridge here in this bedroom, in addition to the one you have downstairs. You have a window for a natural light. This bedroom is located at the back, so you will be looking out to the back of the building. Here on my right, you have nice storage closet. You could, as I said earlier, you could move this closet to the place where you like. We have it here, but you could move it to a different spot as you like. The last space I would like to show you is the bedroom. The bathroom. You have this nice tile floor, tile wall. It's a stall shower. On my left, you have your vanity, your mirror. It's a beautiful 5-bed, 5-bath unit. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching. Bye.